Master the pause and let the world bow. Try this once. The world won't just notice you. It'll shift around you. People won't just look at you, they'll feel you.
Like the room got heavy.
Like something ancient just entered. Like gravity chose sides, and you became its center. Because most people, their static noise flickers in a world already too loud. They walk in, unnoticed. They speak, unheard. They leave, unremembered. They live but never command. But then, there are the rare ones. They don't walk into a room, they disrupt it. The air tightens. Conversations stall, heads turn, hearts race, and no one knows why. They haven't said a word, yet everyone listens. It's not ego. It's not volume. It's something deeper, something primal, power. And what separates the forgotten from the unforgettable. One move, just one. Master this, and the way people treat you will never be the same. Here's what no one says out loud. The world doesn't kneel to kindness. It bows to certainty, to presence, to dominance. Every room you enter, you're being measured, not by your words, but by the energy between them. Speak too quickly, desperate, fill the silence. Weak, chasing approval, already lost. But the powerful, they don't chase. They pause. They let silence work. They wield it like a weapon. It slices through noise like a blade. Because when you pause, truly pause, you're telling the world, I don't need to be heard. But when I speak, you will listen. Weak men fill gaps. They scramble. They overshare. They beg with their tone. But kings, they let the silence burn. They let it echo. They let others wait. And that wait, that stillness, it rewires perception. Suddenly, you're the one in control. You're no longer reacting. You're leading. Look at history. The greats, leaders, legends, lions. They don't rush. They pace. They anchor. They speak with weight, and the world bends around them. Their silence, it hurts. It pulls. It dominates. The pause isn't empty. It's alive. It creates pressure. And pressure breeds power. So the next time you're about to speak, stop. Let the silence hang. Let it sting. Let the tension rise. Then, when the moment is yours, speak slow, sharp, like thunder's about to follow, and watch. Watch how the world responds, how eyes lock, how energy shifts, how the balance tips in your favor. Most won't get this. They'll laugh it off. They'll keep talking fast, chasing approval, staying invisible. But you're built different. You don't chase rooms. You own them. You don't shout. You resonate. Because in the end, power isn't loud. It's focused. It's patient. It's felt. The pause isn't silence. It's control. Master that. And you won't just be seen. You'll be remembered forever.